What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and to this video about Idex. We're just going to take a look at what happened. I mean, Idex has been quite bullish over the last 24 hours. We're up about 24%. Volume has increased to 100 million, which is 1.5 times the market cap. That's always great to see because that definitely gives us some opportunities in terms of price movements. Volume is all coming from credible sources, BitTrue a lot, Binance, Coinbase. You know the deal, so that all checks out. And Idex is just one of those cryptos that once in a while has some sort of a bull run. All right, here you can see volume goes up, we have a big spike. Volume goes up, we have a big spike. It just happens once in a while. But the difference right now is that right here, the spike came from very low, from like 5 cents. And Idex over the last couple of weeks has actually been, or over the last months actually, since like the beginning of July, has actually been in a steady uptrend. Of course, together with the whole market, it's not that Idex is that strong of a crypto. It's an interesting project, but to be honest, I don't follow it that closely, so I'm not sure how they're progressing with what they're doing. But at least it shows that there's at least some more bullish momentum. You can also see that the EMAs are very organically moving up. So that's a great thing to see. But for now, for Idex, the main thing is if we actually want to keep these levels, which is going to be hard because in the end we are in a bear market and moves like these rarely stick. Most of the times cryptos come down. But for now, what you can see if we take a look at the analysis for Idex is that the main level we're at is between 10 cents and 10.5 cents. 10 cents obviously being a big psychological key area, so it was already going to be tough to break through that. But apart from that, it's also quite a well-tested key area. So there's basically two things that can happen. First one being we break this level. And if we break above 10.5 cents, at least on the 1 hour time frame, I'd say. I don't think we have done that on the 1 hour. No, so on the 1 hour, you can also see that we already took a break retest off of 9.7 cents. So there is still bullish momentum. You can see that way better on the 1 hour than the 4 hour, because there it just looks like we found resistance and dropped down. But it's all about breaking that 10.5 cents area, at least on the 1 hour time frame. If we can do something like that, we can take a break retest off of this whole level. And then I probably think we're going all the way up to 12.25 and 12.5 cents, because that is the next resistance level. It's a very strong level, so I don't think we can get higher than that, but then at least we would be able to extend this bull run. So that's one scenario, but I actually don't think, I don't have a very clear bias to what I think is going to happen with Idex, but I think this is the less likely scenario. All right, and the more likely scenario for Idex at this point of time, just based on the strength of this key area and the market circumstances, what I think is the most likely scenario is that we do not break above that level. And breaking above that level, we have to do that relatively soon. I think we definitely have to do that today. All right, so for the next and the rest of the day, not the next 24 hours. We really have to do this within the next 8, 9, 10 hours. All right, because otherwise the momentum is out of it. So if that doesn't happen, and I think this is a little bit more likely, I think we'll drop down. All right, drop down to 9 cents, find some support here at this level at 9 cents on top of this key area. Maybe consolidate a little bit, but then afterwards drop down to, I think, all the way down to 8 cents. And from 8 cents, I do expect that we'll hold that and just continue this uptrend, to be honest. But at least I do expect that drop. And obviously, within the next months or weeks, we will have moves like these again. But that just is what Idex is. All right, it just sometimes has these bull runs. And to me, what's more important to see is this organic uptrend. All right, and I think for the long-term holders of Idex, that's also a better thing to see. So yeah, that's basically my analysis. As I said, I don't have a clear bias. This could still happen to me, but I think this is a little bit more likely. All right, so if you have any questions about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I would like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.